What does a business do? Your business makes the product and sell the product what the customers are need, and the customers will pay the money for the product you given them. How much the money the customers paid you for the product has to be more than that you spend it on that product. Then you are making profit. If you spend more money than that you spend it on that product, then your business will close down and you will become a bankrupt like Anil Ambani and Vijay Mallya. And respect for Anil Ambani, he is not a bankrupt right now. The business has to be in a sustainable condition. Three main stakeholders in a business. First one is owners. The second one's managers. The third, workers. Owners and managers and workers have to work together to run a successful business. Remember, happy business means happy customers. Business can have more than one owner and multiple managers and multiple workers. What's the role of a owners in a business? The owners have to invest money to start a business. The owners have to buy new equipments which are needed for the business. The owners have to make a plan and make sure that the plan will work. If they don't agree with each other, if they don't have a CEO, then they recommend executive manager. There are three types of manager. First is upper, middle and lower managers. The first is upper managers like chief executive manager, middle marketing managers, lower managers, example supervisors. The steps the manager has to follow: planning, staffing and organizing and directing and controlling. Role of workers in business. Sales worker find the customers and sell the product of their company. Accountant analyze how the money is spending and what the profit the company is making. Workers and managers get their salary in every month, but owners get dividends and they have the equity in a company. So if the company grows, their equity's value will also grows. Business is an economical activity. Business is a process of buying and selling the product to make profit. The main motto of a business is to make profit. Without making a profit, you can't say it's a business. So if you don't make a profit in a business, you can't run your business for a long time. So the business will go down and you will become a bankrupt like Anil Ambani and Vijay Mallya. Right now, Anil Ambani is not a bankrupt. Business is a process of buying and selling the product to make profit. This China's company is the number one construction company in the entire world. China State Construction Engineering Corporate Company. Headquarters Beijing, China. Net worth of this CSCEC company is approximately $294 billion according to 2023. This company handles residential, commercial and infrastructure and public works and bridges, and it designs and house constructions and bridges with the largest revenue. L&T is the number one technology based construction company in India with a net worth of $21 billion at 2023. This company focused on building infrastructure, heavy civil engineering and defense and electrical system. October 2024, this company's market cap was $61.25 billion. What are the usefuls? The first thing is that 3D printing can be done in 24 hours. It doesn't require that much of a manpower. Naruto has the best blasting machine. Naruto is one of the biggest construction equipment company. The technology based machines are used for the wonderful constructions. Technology based equipments can be used in construction. It reduces the time of constructing something, and AI based 3D tool can be given for the customers. And bricks, we can choose different type of bricks in construction. A lot of construction companies in India have made the walls and steps of house in a manufacturing company, and then they assemble in the site of the customers. Technology based construction companies like having a safety for the manpower. Sustainability is increased and the the quality of our quality is increased with the help of the technology, with the help of the wonderful construction equipments. We can build houses at a very affordable price. How the stock market prices change. Stock market is like a giant marketplace, but instead of buying and selling clothes or food, people are buying and selling the pieces of the company. These pieces are called the shares or the stocks. When a company needs money to grow, they can sell small portion of ownership in the company called stocks to the public. If you buy one of the stocks, congratulations, you own a tiny part of the company. Why would someone want to buy stocks? The first reason is to make money. When a company does well, the value of its stocks usually goes up. You can sell your stock at higher price than what you bought it for, and that's how you make a profit. Second thing is for dividends. Some companies share their profit with their stockholders in the form of dividends, when it's like getting paid just for owning their stocks. But remember, the stock market can go up and down, which means there always a bit of risk is involved. That's why the stock market is always a little bit risky, and it is always the volatile. That's why the people call stock market is a volatile. Which are the best brokerage app? Best brokerage app for a beginner is the Grow. For a beginners, it is very easy to use. It comes to the matter of less brokerage app, that is Zerodha. And if you think about the less commission brokerage app, the first is Zerodha, the second is Grow, the third commission app is Angel Investment. Okay, here is a big question: how the stock market prices change. If a lots of people want to buy the stock of a company, its price goes up, and if a lots of people are going to sell the stocks of the company, then the prices of the stocks will go down. If a lots of people are selling, the prices of the companies go down. And why do people buy or sell? It can depend on how well the company is doing, company is making profit or not, how the company is performing, what's happening in the economy. What is stock exchange? Stock exchange is a place where the buying and selling of the stocks happen here. Two of the biggest stock exchanges in the world are the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. In India, the BSE is the best for the stock exchange. That is, the full form of BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. I think this video is helpful for you. So for a better content, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next wonderful videos. Do you know that the Coca-Cola company gives the fridge for a free? But one condition, that is that the shops of the owner has to buy some fixed amount of the Coca-Cola brands, like Sprite, Coca-Cola and the Fanta. The Fanta and Sprite owns by the Coca-Cola. Share market is specifically referred to the market where the shares of the companies are bought and sold. Owning the shares of the company is like owning the equity of the company. That's why the owner of the company always the one who owns the majority of the shares. Stock market refers to the overall market where the different types of securities are bought and sold, like mutual funds, ETF, trading of stocks. Stock market contains mutual funds, trading of stocks, bonds, and ETF. Mutual funds are invested by multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, and IPO and SIP. Equity funds are very riskier, but it always gives high returns. Debt funds are very less riskier, but they give less returns.